Hi guys, Foundation Quick Revision is from Paper 2 2024 and you can use your calculator. The points A and B are shown on the grid. Write down the coordinates of the point A. Well, the point A is here and X is 2 and Y is 1. Now remember, X and Y. That's how they look, the order they should be in. It would not be Y and X. That is not going to happen. So the coordinates for this are 2 and 1. So find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Well, to start with, we found the coordinates of A. So now let's find the coordinates of B. So the coordinates for B are -2 and -5. I had to look them myself. So now we've got to find the midpoint. And the midpoint, how I do it, is using a midpoint formula. Now, a formula never changes. Repeat, a formula never changes. That's why it's easier to revise. That's why it's easier to remember. Now, the formula for this states x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So this is our x1 and our x2. And that's because this is our first bracket and this is our second bracket. So we're going to plug these in. x1 is 2 plus x2 is -2. And it's always over 2. That never changes. The next one, y1, our first y is 1. Plus our second y, -5. Once again, it's all over 2. Just think, there's always only ever 2 sets of coordinates, so it's always divided by 2. You've got a calculator that can do this, but I already know the answer. So you plug it into your calculator and the coordinates are 0, -2. So that is our midpoint. So our midpoint is 0, -2. On the grid, mark with a cross the point with coordinates -4, 2. Label this point C. So this is our X and this is our Y. So we want -4 on our X and we want +2 on our Y. And that is our spot. Now that is worth 4 marks. And I would say the majority of that is going to come from working out the midpoint. I'd say that would be worth 2 marks and the other 2, 1 mark. Measure the length of this line, give your answer in centimetres. This is here just to show you what the question looks like. Whatever it is, just use your ruler. I'm sure you can all use your ruler. B, measure the size of the angle marked X. So all you need to do is get your protractor out and put your 0 on the line here. Make sure it's nice and straight and then you can read from there your degrees. And in this space below, draw a hexagon. This is me drawing the hexagon because this is quick revision and it's a 6-sided shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure it's a 6-sided shape. Well, that's a nice quick revision. Just carry on watching them in steps. Bye!